Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video where we'll be looking at the Report Generator tool within MapThat. Using the MapThat Bookmarks tool, let's zoom into a specific street location within Liverpool. Then from the Show Layers menu, we'll tick to display all the layers within the Environment and Spaces tree header. If we now click within the map, an information bubble appears providing the details of the features of that location. For example, a green space and a Liverpool park. Clicking on the blue shape below, we can identify the Schlar feature on the other side of the road. Let's now display some other spatial layers, such as the Liverpool planning applications. And again, when added to the map, we can click on them to identify the planning apps at that location, viewing the application number and proposed app details. If we wanted to then identify just those features near our address, we could use the MapThat Area Search tool. Here we'll use the Place Point tool to click in a map placing a blue pin. Then in the distance field, we'll type a value of 25. Ensure the units are meters, and then pressing the tick button will create the 25 meter buffer in the map. And then when we press the Apply arrow, we have a box that appears asking us to choose individual layers to filter, or let's choose Select All Layers. And at the same time, let's automatically export to Excel and press the Apply Search area. Once applied, the map features will be filtered to show only those records within 25 metres of our location. If we open the data table from the right, we can then switch through the layers to get a record count and view the details for all of those records. In addition, we can open the downloaded Excel file, where there will be worksheets for each layer within our map, detailing the environmental constraints and the existing planning applications. While this is a very useful analysis method, using the report generator would automatically generate these statistics for us. Having cleared the map, from the Edit tools, choose the Drawing tools and load in our CON29 layer. This will add any existing CON29 searches to our map, shown here as a purple shape. If we wish to run a new report, simply use the Draw Polygon tool to left-click and trace the outline of our property or field boundary. Once drawn, enter the attributes, specifically choosing the type of report to run, such as CON29, and then adding any notes or a search number as needed. Press OK, and then save the changes, and our CON29 layer will be updated within the map. Now choose Edit Tools, Report Generator and View Reports. This will list all of our previous reports, and notice it's added a new report at the top of the list with the date it was created and the search number. Select the record and choose the Download Report button. The CON29 report will then open into a PDF, providing a list of all the environmental layer constraints, as well as planning applications that are within our 25 meter buffer. The template used is fully configurable and any number of layers can be analysed in this one report. This tool is so useful that many of our current MapThat clients use a report generator tool to quickly and easily create all of their CON29 and land charge reports.